metal things, and everywhere. He's got a whole big barn over here, same, and he's got them on his wall on his house. And then they just look great. But I could never, I can't envision that. I think trying to get junk, but junk put in the right place is really, it's gorgeous. You know what I'm saying?
My goodness.
Yeah. So anyway, if you ever get a chance, go down to her. She would love to show you
Yes.
around. And she'd like to see this house because this is.
Well, yeah, I mean, Joy was here all the time when they were. Joy and Amy were. Joy's James's age and Amy's close to, well, she's, her and Whitley are. I had a Norway party. Yeah, I love it.
Where do you look like you're sneaking away from that?
It's time.
It's time.
It's time. Yeah.
There's nothing better than
Oh, particularly on Sunday. Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Got the hip.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, y'all too.
Appreciate you very much, man.
You
We'll
bet.
see you soon.
Yep.
We'll see you soon.
Holler if we can do something for you, Mike. Not waiting.